Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all having a great week. So I just wanted to hop on today because I got a package in the mail, which normally it is my favorite package of the season to get, and that is my FabFitFun box. So I just wanted to do an unboxing with you guys today and show you what I got in this box. This video is going to be a quick one because one, I've been painting my kitchen like all day and I'm a mess. My fingernails are still covered in paint and I'm just sweaty and gross and excuse my appearance. And two, I am headed to go see my sister-in-law play softball, so I just want to get through this real quick. I do want to preface this though with getting this box has been an endeavor this season. I don't know what the deal is. I got an email from FabFitFun that they shipped this box out on September 8th. Today is the 25th, so it took almost 20 days to get here, and I don't think that's FabFitFun's fault because, like I said, they did ship it out on the 8th. I obsessively checked FedEx to see when it was coming because I was waiting to get this box for a blog post. That is why I didn't post on Thursday, which is, well, this past Thursday, which is my typical posting day because I never got the box. So anyway, it took almost 20 days to get here and I kept checking FedEx and it originally told me it would arrive on the 19th. Waited, it never came, and then it switched back to pending, and then it told me the 23rd, never came, switched back to pending. So it finally came today. Let me tell you that first of all, the box is looking a bit dingy and like it got beat up. Also, it feels very light. And if I remember correctly, some of the things that I chose for the customization this season, I don't think the box should be this light, but in any case, we're gonna check it out. I will say though that my mom also had a really, tough time getting her box. It took also like almost 20 days because ours shipped out on the same day and she ended up getting hers yesterday. However, my mother-in-law got hers back in like August, I think, maybe the beginning of September, but I think it was August. But hers was also beat up. So I'm actually pretty nervous to see what the products inside look like. I'm really hoping they're not damaged and I'm just not really sure what's going on. You're also gonna see like progressively through this video, my hair is just gonna start falling out of the bun here because this hair never stays in. So, sorry. So right off the bat, normally these boxes have like the fun like confetti kind of filling in it, but this time I've just got some like paper bag filling, so I don't really know what that's all about. Also, the stuff is kind of like just thrown in here. Normally it's set up nicely, but it's kind of just thrown in here. But so far it looks like everything is intact, which is a good sign. So yes. So like I always say, they include this little pamphlet or catalog in each box so that you can see how much each of the products are worth and how you can use each of the products. And if there's clothing items, they'll show you how people style them. If there's skincare items, they'll show you the benefits of some of the skincare items and how they curated the box and stuff like that. So this catalog is actually usually really useful, and I always refer to this to let you know the value of the box. So if you've never watched any of my previous videos of unboxings of FabFitFun boxes, the box is $50 a season and you get a quarterly, so one each season, so for a year. And my last box ended up having, I think, close to $500 worth of product inside. So normally the boxes are so totally worth it because you're paying $50 and usually one product is more than $50. So you normally get like around 8 products in it. So I think it's really worth it. And then we have a few coupons in here. There is $15 off your first FabFitFun box for a friend. So if I have any friends that are looking to subscribe, I actually think I do have a friend that might subscribe. So I will pass this on to her. And then there is a coupon for 50% off from Bright Cellars, which is a wine subscription. And then they always have a coupon from HelloFresh in there, which is $80 off, including free shipping on your first box. And I already subscribed to HelloFresh, so I'm sure I will have a friend that wants to take this off my hands as well. So the first product that I am going to show you guys is the one that I know that I picked out during customization. and that is this curling iron from Foxy Bay. It is a rose gold 25mm wand, so I like these kind of curling irons. I don't typically like the ones with the clamp. I don't even know what they're called, just like the traditional curling iron, because I can never I can never curl my hair to the way that I want it to with those kind of curling irons. So the wands are great. I love the wands. And this was actually worth, it says Foxy Bay 25mm rose gold curling wand. No, hold on. Let me start over. Foxy Bay 25mm black curling wand with rose gold colored barrel. Made with tourmaline infused ceramic, this curling iron increases hair shine and creates voluminous curls. So this is worth $99. So like I said, you're paying $50 for the box, and this is $99. So automatically I just got one product that is worth double the box. So I'm really excited to try this out, and I will let you guys know what I think of this. I was in the market for a new curling iron, so I figured this was the perfect opportunity. So this next product is another one that I chose from Customization, and they are blue light blocking glasses from Nectar. Here they are here. They're super cute. I'm not gonna lie, they feel kind of fragile, or like, I don't know how to describe it. They feel very light and like fragile. I might just be used to the glasses that I have from my eye doctor, because I do have prescription glasses that I normally wear. But I think that might be why I feel like these are light. But anyway, they're really cute. I think they're adorable. And it says here, Nectar sunglasses, blue light blocking glasses, and brown tortoise. Tortoise, that's where I'm at today. Tortoise. Block blue light from your computer or phone to keep your eyes refreshed and lessen fatigue. And these are worth $45. So they are worth basically the value of the box. I think they're really cute. I would keep these on if you didn't see the ring light right in my eyes there, so I guess I will take them off. So next we have, and I don't believe I customized anything else from, oh actually yes, I did customize one more thing, but we'll move to this. So next we have the Perfect Repair Treatment Mask from Nature Lab. So here it is here. Open it up. It's there if you can see it, probably not. There we go. Green mask. Doesn't really have much of a scent to it, a little bit, but it does say it's cruelty free, so I love that. And let's see how much it is worth. Okay, so the Nature Lab Tokyo Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. Use this treatment mask to restore dull hair from the scalp to strands with keratin technology and argan and prickly pear oils. And this is worth $16. So this is another product that I customized, and it is a hair removal device from Glossmedics. I figured that this was different. I don't have one of these, so I kind of wanted to try it. I was a little bit intrigued. So it says here, Glossmedics hair removal device. Instantly and painlessly sweep away unwanted hair from any area of your body, and it is worth $59.99. So here's the device here. It looks like it, I don't even know how this would work. I need to put batteries in it. But it looks like the top here, I guess, you would just rub across your skin and it would remove the hair, which, you know, I'm real tired of shaving my legs every day, so we're gonna try that out and see if that works. Like I said, I was really intrigued by this, so I figured why not try it. So next we have the So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil from NCLA Treatments. Here it is here, cuticle oil. I've never tried that before. That actually sounds really interesting. So it says here, NCLA So Rich Cuticle Oil in Horchata. This Luxe Vitamin E infused cuticle and nail treatment features a delicious horchata scent, and it is worth $18. So I think that's really interesting. I feel like I kind of have like brittle nails, so maybe this will help. Next we have the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with Truffle Extract. So it is a whipped cleansing cream. It says to apply gently on skin and massage in circular motion, wipe with a wet washcloth or face sponge, and rinse with lukewarm water. This is cool because I definitely needed a new cleanser, so I guess this will work for that. It also says that this is cruelty-free. I really like that a lot of these products, if not all of them, are cruelty-free. I am so for that. I have really been paying attention to clean beauty lately. I will admit that I'm not 100% a clean beauty user, but I have been getting a lot more clean beauty products lately, and I think that is awesome. So it says here, Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. Formulated with black winter truffle extract and sweet almond oil, this cleanser renews dull skin and helps maintain the skin's natural moisture barrier, and it is worth $28. So I'm really excited to try that. So next, this is some super cute packaging. It is Glow Milk from the Beauty Crop. It is nourished with coconut and argan oil. It comes in this like little milk carton, and it's got a little smiley face on the side. This is super cute. And it says, the Beauty Crop Glow Milk in Blind Date. Enriched with coconut, this highlighter gives you a lit from within glow. Okay, so it is illuminating milk for face and body. I am all for a highlight, so I'm really excited to try this. This is a liquid highlight in like a little dropper bottle, which is awesome because I usually just have powder highlights. I have one other liquid highlight from Makeup Revolution and I absolutely love it, so I'm excited to try this one out as well. And we are on to the last product, which it sounds really great and it's totally suitable for the season. It is Petty in a Box Deluxe 4-Step Pumpkin Spice with Pumpkin Extract. It includes 2 complete 4-step pedicure kits from Voash, New York. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but here's the box here, and it says Voash New York Pedicure in a Box Duo Pumpkin Spice. Made with pumpkin extract, the fruit enzymes naturally exfoliate dead skin cells, and vitamin A, C, and E help reveal radiant skin, and it is worth $20. So I am definitely in a need for a pedicure, so I'm really excited to try this out. And here it is here. There is 2 sides here, and it says there is a salt soak, a sugar scrub, a mud mask, and a massage butter. This actually sounds heavenly, so I'm excited to try this out. I rarely, relax. Like, I never sit back, relax, and like treat myself, so I'm gonna treat myself with these. So that is everything in the box. Again, it was 8 products, so I'm gonna add these all up and let you know how much this box was worth. Okay, so the grand total of this box was $305.49. So for only paying $50 for the box, getting $305 worth of product is amazing to me. I gotta admit that I was quite nervous when it took this long to arrive, and picking up the box and feeling how light it was, I was pretty nervous. But everything here came intact. Everything is, perfectly fine. I'm still a little bit confused about this, but I mean, there's a lot going on in the world, so I totally understand if, they couldn't do what they normally do with their boxes. But in any case, very pleased with this box. I will leave a link to the website if you want to sign up for a box yourself in the description. This post and video is not sponsored whatsoever. I purchased these boxes with my own money. So if for me to give you a recommendation, that means I really like it. If you have any questions about these boxes, please let me know, and if I don't know the answer, I will reach out to somebody from FabFitFun and hopefully find some answers for you. But all in all, this box gets 2 thumbs up from me, and I am super excited. So if you liked today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below to subscribe to my channel, click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I post, and make sure you follow me on social media at BrieCutter. So until next time, see you guys.